my channel. Today we talk about benefits of avocado seeds. Avocado seeds make up more than 18% of the deliciously creamy avocado fruit and are often tossed aside habitually. However, the seeds have been found to contain more than 70% of the antioxidant content in each avocado, making it an excellent source of nutrition with multiple health benefits. 1. Rich source of antioxidants. National University of Singapore conducted a study in 2003 to observe the antioxidant content in the seeds avocados, mangoes and other tropical fruit. It found that the seeds of the fruit contain 70% more antioxidant value than the fruit itself, which, if eaten, can help to prevent oxidative stress at a cellular level in the body. 2. Helps to prevent cancer. Decades of research have gone into finding a cure for multiple types of cancer, but one study that has recently gained attention is the link between avocado seeds and the prevention of acute myeloid leukemia (AML). 3. Heals digestive disorders. South Americans have been familiar with the digestive benefits that avocado seeds contain for hundreds of years and have been using it to treat ulcers, constipation and diarrhea. 4. Helps to lower cholesterol and prevent heart disease. Dr. Tom Wu, a physician who has been honored by both the American Cancer Society and the United Nations, has confirmed that avocado seeds offer some of the most intense amounts of soluble fiber compared to any other natural food source. 5. Helps to prevent cravings and increases fat loss. Avocado seed. The high amount of soluble and insoluble fiber contained in each avocado pit will help to keep you feeling fuller for longer, which reduces cravings in between meals and can encourage accelerated fat loss. 6. Helps to prevent blood sugar imbalance. A diet high in fiber and low in sugar helps to prevent blood sugar spikes and dips and can prevent the development of type 2 diabetes. Avocado seeds are the perfect addition to any smoothie or meal, as the rich source of fiber helps to balance out any intake of sugar, keeping blood sugar levels stable. 7. Reduces inflammation. Avocado seeds contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds known as catechins and procyanidins, which help to reduce the risk of developing chronic inflammation. 8. Improves the health and appearance of skin. The intense burst of antioxidants in each avocado pit helps to reduce oxidative stress caused by the sun's harmful UV rays as well as pollution, chemicals and our modern environment. This helps to reduce the visible signs of aging, as well as rejuvenating the tone and condition of skin tissue.